The executive director of the Economic Growth Council is warning the government against handing out waivers to overseas investors. Senator Aubyn argues that allowing foreigners to operate for free is counterproductive, especially when they stand to gain more than they would lose. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Jamaica, famous for its extensive list of tax incentives. The incentives are used to secure deals with international investors who are looking to do business at a minimal operating cost. But for the head of the Economic Growth Council, the government should insist that they pay.
No bother with those waivers that you give to investors. If the business is so good, why are you waiving? Why are you taking poor Jamaicans' money? Because when you waive, you're not getting the taxes, and give it to rich investors.
Senator Aubyn says the government should consider other selling points for investors.
We must train Jamaicans that people come here to invest in this country and don't ask for waivers, because we have the best wave we can give them, the brightest minds.
According to Investment Promotions Manager at Jampro, Ricardo Durant, the workforce must first have the skills the investors are looking for.
There's more need for technological savvy workers. That is one of the things that we are finding. We need flexibility, but we need persons to understand technology.
Some of the incentives provided by the government are the Omnibus Fiscal Incentives Framework, which provides varying levels of relief from customs import duties, additional stamp duties, and corporate income tax. Companies listed on the Junior Stock Exchange are also exempted from 100% of corporate income tax in the first 5 years of the date of admission and 50% in the following 5 years. And under the Urban Renewal Act, companies that undertake development within designated special development areas will benefit from urban renewal bonds, a 33.3% investment tax credit, and tax-free rental income. They would also be exempt from transfer tax and stamp duties on the improved property. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.